Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to demonstrate you how to use our machine. Product name is SI801. This is a fully automatic machine. Firstly, I will just tell you the name of the different parts and give you the brief explanation about the specification and the material used in this making of this machine. So let's start. First I will tell you the names one by one. This is a slang cup, this is filter, and this is oil cup. This is a barrel and screw. This is a screw and this is a barrel. Collectively it can be called a screw barrel or a crushing unit or crushing chamber. This is a wrench to just fix this part into the machine with the help of this. This is a user manual. It has all the steps mentioned in it, how to use this machine and other specification. This is a screwdriver to open this elbow part with the help of screwdriver. And this is a brush to clean this barrel, and this is a heat resistant gloves. When you finish the oil extraction process, you will require this to wear because this part will be hot. So I will explain you the specification. This machine is made up of DC motor. Technically this motor is a 400 watt DC motor, and it is a fully automatic machine. The outer body is made up of ABS plastic, the other food grade ABS plastic, and this screw and barrel is made up of stainless steel 304 grade. So now I will show you how to assemble this part into this machine. First, this is a hopper cover. We need to remove that, and we need to open this lid, and after that just fix this screw into this thing, and after that barrel. Now with the help of this arrow you can open and close. So we are closing now, so we will rotate with the other direction. You can hold this other end with the one hand, so it will remain straight, so you can close it easily, very smoothly. Once it gets tight, just use this wrench to tighten this part so it won't get moved. Now it's tightened enough, and this ring should be placed perfectly on this part. This is a heater. It transfers the heat to the barrel and screw. So close this. Now we need to plug this power cable to here. The other end should be plugged in a 6 ampere power socket. Once we properly plug this, we need to just switch it on. So you get a light at the panel and display. Temperature will be shown here. It will be fluctuating, but don't worry about that. So now today we are going to take out oil from coconut. So we will refer this book which with temperature we need to set. For coconut it is written 18 to 120 degree. So we'll use these buttons. Choose button, press, and just choose 110 degree, and just press the run button. So now we need to wait for a while to reach this temperature to a 110 degree. Now it is about to reach at 110 degree. So I will show you the backside sticker. It has all this thing mentioned in that, so you can find this steps, which steps needs to follow and what temperature required for the different temperature requirement for the different type of seeds. And also one thing is I need to mention that the size of this material should not be more than size of peanut. So if it is bigger than the peanut size, we need to cut it down to the peanut size. So we have chopped this coconut to the smaller size. Right, starting. First, initially it will run in a backward direction to clean the chamber. After running for a few seconds for backward direction, it will run for forward. We need to put this before that. We need to put oil drop here and this blank here. And now we can put this material inside there. Initially we need to put a smaller amount of material, a handful of. So now it will get started. Now we can see that there is drops of oil coming out, and the stage is also coming out. So we'll put the other material also inside this and just put it. So now we can see that there is a oil coming out, and there is a vestige also coming out. Now we can, if you want to check the percentage, so you can just see this material and rub it on your hand, so you won't find any moisture or any oil on your hand. It is totally clean. So there is no oil coming from this direction. All the oil is getting extracted to the bowl. Once your hopper gets empty, after 1 minute it will notify, it will make a buzzer sound after this hopper gets empty, and we'll show you what sound does it make. So this was the buzzer sound it makes to notify you that it is running empty since 1 minute, and 1 more minute it will run on empty. After, if you feed this while running empty, it will start again the process, and if you don't feed again, so it will stop itself automatically. It will get stopped, and after stopping it will rotate in a reverse direction for 10 seconds automatically, and after that it will get turned off automatically. And there is one more function in it. While it is extracting the oil and it is running in a forward direction, if you press this stop button from here, it will automatically get turned off and it will automatically run in a backward direction. I will just show you the demo. If I'm pressing the stop button, so it gets stopped. Now it will rotate in a backward direction. So this features is to clean the chamber. We need to clean the chamber. You can see the amount of coconut is increased while it was running backward. So now it stopped. So I will show you how to clean this part. After that it gets stopped, we need to turn it off from here, and we need to remove this. Carefully remove this both part from here. Oil cup also you can remove. Just open this part. Be careful, this part and this part will be very much hot, so we will require to wear this heat resistant gloves so we won't harm ourselves. And just hold this part like this. Also you can hold this. Just remove this thing, and with the help of wrench loosen up this part Make sure you don't touch other things. Once we lose this, rotate this thing.
When this happens,
Rotate these things in this direction and just remove this part. It will be hot, so now we need to separate this thing. See, these things should be done while it is hot, because otherwise you can see in the screw small particles are there. If it is if you provide time, if you give time to cool it down, it will be hardened, so you won't be able to remove this, separate this both part. Now with the help of screwdriver, you can take out the elbow also, and now brush comes in a picture. Just pour this brush and you can clean it up. And after that, if you want to clean further, you can pour these things into warm water or hot water or something, so you get a clean, properly get clean. This thing also needs remove. After, I will show you the oil. We have taken a very less amount of oil, so it's very less. This is the oil, immediate oil. We need to we need to provide 2 days of time to settle it down. After 2 days of time, we can you will find this. We have 2 days or 3 days old oil. This is the oil, and within 2 or 3 days it will be oil, it will be seen like this. And so this was the coconut oil process and how to use this machine. You can find other details. You can contact us if you wanted to have any inquiry. Our toll-free number is 1800-572-2021, and you can visit our website, that is si-pl.com. Thank you very much.